Top 5 Best Pressure Washer Surface Cleaners. Number 5. Karcher 15 inches Surface Cleaner. The Karcher 15 inches Surface Cleaner is a great combination of price and features, suitable for both gas and electric washer use. This model maxes out at 3,200 psi but can handle much lower pressures. It will not be as effective at cleaning, but can still be used with battery-powered electric pressure washers. The maximum water temperature is 140 Fahrenheit and the maximum flow rate is 2.7 GPM. So, the Karcher is mid-range in capabilities, but it is still well designed. Pros: can be used with a wide variety of pressures. Cons: relatively slow rotation speed of 1,500 RPM. Coming in number 4. Simpson Cleaning 80182. Gas-powered pressure washers are more powerful than electric washers. Why not take advantage of that power with the Simpson Cleaning 80182? This is a commercial surface cleaner that can handle up to 4,500 psi with a flow rate of up to 8 GMP and a cleaning diameter of 20 inches, cutting your cleaning time considerably. Simpson Cleaning 80182 is designed to handle hot water at temperatures up to 212 Fahrenheit. You'll see 140 Fahrenheit, 212 Fahrenheit, and 300 Fahrenheit as the maximum temperature on different websites, but the manual specifies 212 Fahrenheit. Pros: can take advantage of the full power of gas pressure washers. Stainless steel and brass construction for durability. Cons: heavy. Vertically angled handles may not be as comfortable for some people. Coming in number 3. Edou 20 inches Commercial. Commercial surface cleaners have been mentioned several times now. Why not try one out? The Edou 20 inches Commercial Surface Cleaner is an upgraded version of the stainless steel model reviewed above. It adds ergonomic handles and 4 casters to let you clean all day long with minimal effort, even when the water pressure is off. This surface cleaner comes with adapters for a wide variety of hoses so you can take advantage of the 4,500 psi maximum working pressure. The minimum pressure is 2,000 psi, so this surface cleaner is compatible with some electric washers. Pros: ceramic core handles high pressures well. Comes with adapters and a maintenance kit. Handles hot water up to 140 Fahrenheit. Has handles and caster wheels for minimum effort while cleaning. Cons: expensive. Only 4 GPM flow, so not as much cleaning power as the Pressure Whirl-A-Way. Coming in number 2. Pressure 85,403,007. Most non-commercial surface cleaners attach to your pressure washer's wand. They use the water pressure to lift off of the ground, but are not very ergonomic for long-term use. The 85,403,007 Stream Whirl-A-Way by Pressure is an exception that not only makes it easy to clean for hours at a time but will also cut down your cleaning time. It has a 20 inches wide cleaning area and can handle up to 4,000 psi at 8 GPM. More importantly, it has 2 built-in handles. However, it is several times more expensive than other surface cleaners. Pros: ergonomic handles. Handles temperatures up to 180 Fahrenheit. High cleaning power. Large cleaning area. Zero wall clearance. Cons: expensive. Coming in number 1. Yamaha ACC-31056-00-18. The Yamaha ACC-31056-00-18 is an industrial-looking tool that gets the job done without messing around. It's rated for a maximum of 3,300 psi and a minimum of 2,300 psi. You might be able to power it with a powerful electric washer, but it is designed for use with a gas washer. Several users have reported their unit ceasing to spin after several uses. This seems to be due to an excess amount of thread locker added during manufacturing. Disassembling the Yamaha and cleaning the nozzle fixes the problem, and thankfully, disassembly is easier than most other surface cleaners. Pros: easy disassembly and cleaning. Not known for leaving streaks, zebra lines, or swirls. Cons: potential excess thread locker issues.